Have you ever wondered why some people always make money in the share market while others always lose? What if the answer to this riddle was within your reach? Introducing How to Make Profit in Share Market by renowned financial advisor Mahesh Chandra Kaushik. This comprehensive guide is a beacon for retail investors, providing indispensable suggestions that can significantly enhance investment strategies. Kaushik has taken the unconventional route in financial literature by simplifying complex concepts and removing technical jargon. This approach makes the book not only accessible, but also an enjoyable read for individuals at all levels of financial proficiency. Kaushik's book is a roadmap to financial success in the share market. By following his instructions step by step and implementing the book's suggestions, the fear of losing money in the share market will become a thing of the past. Kaushik also reveals how an initial investment of a mere $100 can multiply into an impressive sum of $722 in just 20 years. Imagine having this kind of financial growth at your fingertips. No need to pay for share market tips when you have all the winning strategies contained within the pages of this book. Key aspects of this book include actionable insights, proven strategies, and a long-term vision. You will discover practical advice and effective techniques to maximize your profits in the share market. Learn from the expert himself on how to minimize risks and seize lucrative opportunities in the market. Develop a strategic mindset that ensures consistent profitability and wealth creation in the share market. So step into a prosperous future in the world of the share market. With How to Make Profit in Share Market by Mahesh Chandra Kaushik, you will gain the knowledge and confidence to earn handsome profits in this ever-changing market. Unlock your earning potential in the share market with this book. Dive into the world of financial growth and stability, equip yourself with the strategies and know-how to not just survive, but thrive in the share market. The time is now. Your financial future awaits.